I'm Holi Eightteen. This is my friend Kat, and we're going to be doing the Whisper Challenge. What it is, we take a pair of headphones and a music playing device, in this case, my laptop, and you turn the volume all the way up to the point you can't hear anything. She's going to say something, and I have to try and guess what she's saying. So, let's see how this turns out.
My question is, how long, like, I can't English, it's okay.
Until we get it, or we just give up.
Well, I'm gonna give up right away, it's okay.
Okay. So, and play.
Okay. So, how was the fuck last night?
What?
I don't even know anymore. About that camel.
Something about ham?
Yes. I love that ham.
You love ham?
You killed it.
What?
That poor ham. That's my best friend. I slept with it every
You watch
night.
porn?
I slept with that every night, and you just had to go out and kill it. Okay?
What?
This is all serious now. Your cupcakes are done. So.
You're cheating on me?
Yes.
Is that legit? No?
Your cupcakes are done. Unfortunately.
How are you today?
You fucked my mother.
No. How are you today?
You do not love me.
How are you today? How are you today?
You are gay.
Halfway. How are you today?
I give up completely.
I asked you how you are today. Are you enjoying this show better? We have an audience.
That ham. I loved it, and you just betrayed me.
You ate a cat named it a giraffe?
No. I ate a dog that ate a cat.
You ate the whole cat?
No! I ate the cat's dick.
What the hell? Why didn't you save me some of that cat? I was gonna eat that.
Well, because I don't love you.
You love me?
No.
Did you love the cat?
I love your mother.
You love my brother?
Sure.
What? Why would you love my brother? He's like 22.
Why not? You know what? Just because he's 22 doesn't mean anything. I can love him all I want.
You love breasts?
Well.
What
about
is
that?
on?
I love my camel.
You love animals?
My camel. I love
You're
this.
a cannibal?
Yes.
What?
I can't tell you.
You eat cannibal food, right?
No.
We're not talking about cannibals like eating people?
No. I like the fuck.
This is a really good song.
No, it's not. I don't even know what to come up with. What?
Do you want me to give up?
It's up to you.
What were you saying?
I don't even know anymore. You'll find out. I never know what to say. I'm too stupid.
I love Oliver Sykes.
Ik liebe dich ein Horn.
Ik liebe dich nicht so. Ik liebe Oliver Sykes.
You wanna fuck me and then put me in pancakes.
Nein! I love Oliver Sykes.
You love my sex.
That too, but no, I love Oliver Sykes.
So that too, but you hate my brother.
No, I love Oliver Sykes.
You only want me at 6.
I love Oliver Sykes. I love him. I do.
You love Oliver Skies.
Oh, Sykes.
No No.
I love Oliver Sykes.
You love your mother and
I
the
love
skies.
Oliver Sykes.
Yeah, I know you love Oliver Skies, but
Sykes.
you love Oliver. I don't know.
I love Oliver Sykes.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying you love Oliver Skies, but it's like, oh my god, plump off.
It's Sykes.
I know.
You lived your life like you were on fire, but how could I dance when your soul just